Ebuga, Ebuga. Sawa your bless, sawa your bless. I want my Shaggi.
Mary, how far now?
I did. What's happened?
I be angel father.
Angel Modani. Now why you won't put my teeth in my mouth? I bet shift back. What's happened?
Mary, how far now?
I did. Gary, how is it?
Is brother Joseph around?
You know they. You don't go was Chelsea ball.
Ah, go crack come back. JESUS in Amaka.
Amaka come. Suberu ni. Who put your mouth for this matter now? When you be like Sajem peace.
Jesus.
Jesus.
Greet brother Joseph for me, yeah?
I go greet him. What you say do you? Helen Reso. Agbero afenu e sọ̀rọ̀ tó wà nbi. Wait happen.
Mary, who be that fine girl?
Broda and father kani. You still don't marry. Still don't marry. Still no be your type. I mean angel don't finish for heaven. We get front and back. Where if you marry. Now you man be you won't marry again. Wetin you want?
Go say make I come tell you tomorrow go get belle.
You go get belle. You go get belle. Where God dey make I go ask am myself.
Baba busy for now.
He busy. So who go come give me the belle o?
I don't know. Now wetin go say make I come tell you. You too like wahala.
Come make I give you money for Okada now. Who ti binu lo? Wait. Me. Wesha na God. And nobody feel question now.
Day 2.
What be this? Jesus. Now what did that mumu angel they tell me yesterday be this so? Hey, I will come do myself now.
Yeah. That no day. That no day. I don't tell you. Everything you do, make you and Jaffa fan you. So you go this guy shop. What's his name?
GBK.
CBK. Tell her say that T5 they hold me. Make giving her I need them. You understand?
Make I use 500 naira. Make I take and buy jet.
Me take my own 500 naira buy it. And that get go kill you, idiot. Audience. Mary. What's with this? Say now they do church that my way put clothes for belle. Now you want to do a pregnancy woman.
That's why I see him. I wake up this morning, can't see him.
That's how you see him. Now two belle they inside your belly.
No be lie, not true.
Oh yeah, who can't give me belly?
Now one angel come yesterday, can't tell me say I go get belly.
So now you are angel now. You are angel. You are doing cookie. You are romancing. So you are sitting on me.
I swear, see, the angel come yesterday, tell me say God tell him say I go get belly. Now so I see him.
Oh, belly now is not a frog. Abi, it's not a frog. It's not a toad. It's not jumping up and down. He jumping on you. Abi, belly now is not a frog. That is jumping in there, Lord. And you're jumping in there, Lord. Amen. You bless the place. By the time I go call your mama now, you go tell me where you get that belly. You go hospital to go command this belly.
My name na Jesus.
Jesus. Hey, you don't even give her a name. So where it come be in son name?
Shaggi ni.
So Jesus Shaggi.
Yes.
You dey mad.